Hello guys, Choma, the youngest gear repairer. So I'm going to show you guys how to repair 13-pin gearbox. So come on, this one is called the primary pump. This one is the one that circulates oil to the valve body and to all the parts in automatic gear. So are you seeing it? I'm going to show you how to mount it, the position and how to press it. Just look at it very well. Are you seeing it? This one is called the shaft, the front fiber, the input fiber. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing how to input it? Are you seeing it? This is how to input the primary pump. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? So I'm going to show you guys. You're going to tight the bolt, tight everything, make sure it's properly locked, tight everything. This one is called the ASO. This one is also called the clown wheel. This one is the one that turns the tires. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like the video.